Hi students, in this video we will study how to construct angles 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150 and 165 with the compass. In one video we will discuss how to construct. Okay. For that we will draw a straight line. We know that angle in a straight line is 180 degree, and almost in the middle I am taking a point A. Let's construct 60 degree first. For that we have to place the metal tip of the compass on A. Then draw an arc. It cuts the line at 2 points P and Q. Then without changing the compass, place the metal tip on Q. Then draw an arc. We will get 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now if we bisect 60, we will get 30. For bisecting, we can place the metal tip on Q first. No need to change the compass. If you want, you can change the compass. Draw an arc and place the metal tip here. Then draw another arc. Join these two points. We will get 30 degree. This angle measure is 30 degree. Then if we bisect 30 degree, then we will get 15 degree. So place the metal tip here, draw an arc and place the metal tip over here. Then draw an arc, join. This is 15 degree. Now if we bisect this part, then we will get 45 degree. That means in between 30 and 60, 45 comes. No need to change the compass. This is 45 degree. Now I did not change the compass, so we can place the metal tip on 60 and draw one more 60. Then we will get 120 degree. So this angle measure is 120. This is 120 degree. Now if we bisect this 60 and 120, we will get 90 degree. For that, place a metal tip on 60 degree. Draw an arc. Then place a metal tip on 120. Draw one more arc. Join these 2 points. This angle measure is 90 degree. Then if we bisect 60 and 90, this part, in between 60 and 90, 75 comes. So if we bisect that part, we will get 75 degree. For that, place the metal tip on this angle 60 and 90. Join. This is 75 degree. Then if we bisect this small part, that means in between 90 and 120, if we bisect that part, we will get 105 degree. These all small angles are multiples of 15 degree. So you can easily construct it. This is 105 degree. Then the last part, this part, that means this is the in between 120 and 180. After bisecting, we will get 150, because this angle is also 60 degree. Half of 60 is 30. 120 plus 30 is 150. So place the metal tip on 120 and 180. Angle in a straight line is 180. Join these two. This angle measure is 150 degree. Then if we bisect this part, this smaller part, that means in between 120 and 150, after bisecting we will get 135. This angle is 135. And this last one, in between 150 and 180, after bisecting we will get 165. Last one. For that, place the metal tip on 150, draw an arc, then place the metal tip on 180, draw one more arc, join it. This angle measure is 165 degree. See, these all angles are multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150 and 165. First we have to construct 60, then bisect 60, we will get 30. Again bisect 30, that means 15. Then in between 60 and 30, after bisecting we will get 45 degree. Then construct one more 60, that means we will get 120. In between 120 and 60, after bisecting we will get 90. Then in between 90 and 60, after bisecting we will get 75. In between 120 and 90, after bisecting 105 we will get. Then last 60 degree, that means in between 120 and 180. This angle measure is 180 degree. This is 0 degree. Then we will get in between 120 and 180, after bisecting we will get 150. In between 120 and 150, after bisecting we will get 135 degree. Then in between 150 and 180, after bisecting, we will get 165 degrees. So all these angles in one figure we can construct. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you.